Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. Now see the question. Here I just change slightly. Here instead of 2 I make as 3. Now number of a should be divisible by 3. Okay, so the language it is going to have epsilon because number of a here is 0 divided by 3 remainder 0. Triple a number of a 3 any number of b belongs to this language. Why? Because number of a here is 0 divided by 3 remainder 0. A b a b a 1 2 3 4 5 6 number of a 6 divided by 3 remainder 0. So now for this language we have to construct a minimal DFA. Since when we are dividing by 3 we will require 3 states. One state will indicate that the remainder is 0, other state will indicate that the remainder is 1, other state will indicate that the remainder is 2. So Q0 to indicate remainder 0, 1, Q1 to indicate remainder 1, Q2 to indicate remainder 2. So I need to accept when remainder is 0. When you divide by 3 number of it, you should get remainder as 0. So I will make this state as the final state. So if it will be 1, then this will become the final state. If it will be 2, it will become this. Then Q2 will become the final. So based on the number here, the final state is going to change. The rest is going to remain same. The transition is going to remain same. Now, this you have seen. Now by getting any number of b, here number of a is 0, you will keep a loop of b. Here, then also number of a is 0. Okay, number of a is 0, divide by 3, remainder 0. Now by getting a, number of a is now 1, divide by 3. You will get remainder as number of a you got 1, you will get remainder as 1 q1. So number of a is now any number of b, keep a loop because number of a is not going to change. Again a number of a is 2, divide by 3, remainder 2 q2. So number of a is now 2. Now again b, keep a loop because number of a is not going to change. Again you are going to get a. So number of a will become now 3. Number of a will become now 3. So divide by 3, you will get remainder as 0. So that's why Q2 by getting it, it's coming to Q0. Because number of a is now 3. See? Divide by 3, 0. I need to accept it. So I am going to Q0 because this state is indicating that the remainder is 0. Now 4 by getting it, then 5, then 6, 7, like this. Number of a's will keep on increasing like this. Then by getting a 4, then a 5, then again come back here 6 divisible by. So this is state, see, remainder 0, remainder 1, remainder 2. So you please write this. So give a note and then write if number of a in W divide by n, then remainder should be k. Means k should be from 0 to n minus 1. Number of a or number of b. Okay, so I can even change this as this is even applicable if number of b in W congruent to k mod n. So we have seen that it is equivalent to like this. Okay, don't get confused between these two because gate use both the term. Okay, so sometimes they represent by this, sometimes they will use this representation. Then this one will contain n states in minimal DFA. So this is going to contain n states in minimal DFA because if we divide any number with n, then we get n remainders 0 to n minus. So we are going to get n remainders 0 to n minus 1, and k is going to be any value from 0 to n minus